Hi, myself Linga Reddy. In this session, we discuss alkynes, right? Alkynes, right? The first one, the first point number one. Here, the general formula of alkynes is CN H2N minus 2, general formula. And the second point is isomeric with cycloalkene, cycloalkene, double bond carbon, and alkadienes, right? Next one, third point, the functional group here, functional group CC triple bond and R group. Also we can representation here CC triple bond H, alkyne, right? So let us start the preparations. Preparation of alkynes. Preparation of alkynes. In that, from elimination reactions. From elimination reaction. Right? In that, the first reaction, dehydrohalogenation reaction. Of vicinal dihalides. Let us discuss what is the vicinal dihalides. This is example 1, R, CH and CH, the X group and X group. The halogens are present adjacent carbon is called 1,2 position is called vicinal dihalides, right? In the presence of soda amine, and in the heating condition, this is called strong base. So in the presence of strong base, it is elimination reaction happening. So what is the product we'll get? CC triple bond and C R will get here. The very important point here, the alpha halogen containing carbon must be having alpha hydrogen. Here must be having alpha hydrogen. Then only elimination taking place will get the triple bond. So must be having the vicinal dihalides. It is alpha hydrogens, right? Next one, this is the vicinal halides. Next preparation, the geminal halides. Geminal dihalides nothing but the halogens present in 1,1 position. That means halogens are present in a same carbon. So here example I am taking RCH2 and CHX2 in the presence of sodium amine NaNH2 in heating condition and acidic medium, right? So what will be get here? Here no need to acidic medium, right? So here elimination taking place, CC double bond and hydrogen will get. So generally here simply these two halogens combined with these two and dehalogenation taking place. That means 2HX is minus is going, remaining will get this product. So this is base, strong base, abstract from the proton here. So the beta elimination taking place here. I hope it is clear. The next one more example. This is example 1, this is example 2. or CH2 and XX, same reagent. Here we'll get CC triple bond and R. Next one, third one, from alpha comma alpha, beta comma beta, tetra haloalkane, tetrahaloalkane. So let us take one example. So this is R and this is halogens, this is alpha halogens, this is the beta halogens. So in the presence of your zinc place ethyl alcohol C2H5OH and your heating condition, or else we can use also AG and heat condition. So what is the product is forming here? RCC double bond C, and this product is forming Zn, X2 is forming. Here we take 2 moles of Zn, or else we can use the zinc silver, we'll get the 4 moles of AgX is forming, right? I hope it is very clear. Simple here, the zinc is 1 mole of zinc is combined with these halogens and this is going here. The zinc is 2 electrons are losing, the 2 electrons is making 1 bond here, and 1 more zinc here. This 2 here, the zinc is combined here, this zinc is losing 2 electrons, the 2 electrons making bond here, so we'll get this bond. This is the product. I hope it is clear. The fourth reaction, coupling of geminal trihalides. In that, let's discuss one example here. Geminal trihalides, right? CX3. The 3 halogens are present in same carbon and 3 halogens. And next one, or and these 3 halogens also present in same carbon using silver reducing agent. Here it converted into RCC triple bond C. This is coupling reactions. 6 moles of AgX is forming. So in this way also we will get alkyne. And next one more here, fifth one, that is preparation of coal base hydrocarbon synthesis. And the fifth process here, coal base hydrocarbon synthesis, right? Here potassium salt of malic acid, so potassium salt of malic acid, and its alkyl group, its alkyl derivative. I will explain with the examples. You can understand very clearly. Gives alkyne on electrolysis, right? So what is the formula of the malic acid? Generally your C double bond C and the CH3 and CH3 and C double bond O and here this is, and already we are clearly discussed in the alkane preparation. So now here electrolysis taking place. So this is electrolysis. So electrolysis we will get here CH3 and CC triple bond and CC triple bond, and here CH3 will get, right? Place along with this one, this is at anode product, along with this one CO2 plus 2 KOH plus H2 gas is forming. These two are cathode product. We will get at cathode, right? So this is potassium salt of malic acid, here malic acid, and its derivative of alkanes on electrolysis will get alkyne. So I hope it is clear. And next one, this is the carbon. These are the main important chemical property of preparation of alkyne. Next one we'll discuss the chemical property of alkynes. Next one, chemical properties of alkynes, right? In that, the first point here, the alkynes gives two types of chemical properties. The first one is reaction with acidic hydrogen, right? Second point here, reaction with here pi bonds. So reaction with pi bonds. So first we'll discuss reaction with acidic hydrogens. Now let us discuss the first point here, the reaction with acidic hydrogen. Generally we are comparing acidic nature, so you will get clear. So H2O is more acidic than alcohol, so alcohol is more acidic than alkyne. Alkyne is more acidic than NH3 ammonia, and next one CH2 ethene, right? That means here this is alkyne is very weak acid, it's acid only, acidic proton having only, but it's very weak acid as compared to water. It's weak acid only, right? Then next one, the next point here, important point here, this is acetylene. The simplest alkyne is called acetylene, right? It is more acidic than any alkyne. So this is the more acidic than any alkyne. So here acetylene, it is more acidic than other alkyne, right? Acetylene is more acidic than any other alkynes because of here electron releasing group is there. So alkyl group is electron releasing group, so it is decrease the acidic nature, right? The first one chemical property here, salt formation, right? The point here, terminal alkyne is weak acid. It is reaction with base, strong base to give salt, right? Generally the strong base in the sense here soda amine or else sodium plus ammonia, liquid ammonia, right? These are the commonly we are using here the reaction with acidic hydrogen, right? Let us discuss one example. The example one here, thus we are taking acetylene, this is acetylene, and reaction with sodium amine, right, in the presence of liquid ammonia. So what is the generally product is forming RCC and minus here, and this is taking this and place, and this is hydrogen gas is liberation taking place, right? This is called sodium alkanide, right? One more example, R group is here, just here not R group, hydrogen only, hydrogen, right? So R group we are taking now here. So same base here using. The product is RCC triple bond C minus, and here sodium ion is there. So this is the product is forming sodium alkanide, right? Then formation of alkanide. So then next one here, the important point here, hydrolysis of sodium alkanides. So what is the products are we are expecting? We are taking R C triple bond and O minus, and sodium is there, and we are using here H2O hydrolysis. H2O dissociated into H plus ion and OH minus ion. So this H plus ion is combined with here, this OH minus is combined here, so to form a base. So what is the product is forming? RCC triple bond CH plus NaOH is formation taking place. So this is the basic nature. The solution is basic nature solution. Same manner here you will be using D2O, deuterium water. So heavy water we are using. So here also same deuterium plus and DO minus is formation. So what is happening here? RCC triple bond C, and here deuterium taking place in the presence of sodium deuterium oxide is forming, right? So this is the hydrolysis reaction whenever the sodium alkanides. This carbon is there, this negative charge, this is acting as a two possibility is there. One is acting as a strong nucleophile, and also it can acting as a strong base. It's acting as a strong base. Base nothing but abstract the proton. This is nothing but nucleophile, nothing but attacking of electrophile. That is the difference between what is this nucleophile and base. Base is abstract the proton, the nucleophile is attacking the electrophile. Let us discuss few example, we will get very clear idea. So the example number 1 here, R C triple bond C O Na, and here the taking primary alkyl halides. This is called primary alkyl bromide. So what is the resultant product here? This is nucleophile substitution reaction, SN type of reaction taking place. So this negative charge is attacking in this place, this bromine is leaving here. So this is called nucleophile substitution reactions. So R CC triple bond and here CH2 and R is forming, right? So this is R dash. So this is the primary alkyl halide, right? Primary alkyl halides. Generally primary alkyl halides, the reaction taking place SN type of reaction. What about tertiary alkyl halide and secondary alkyl halides? Let us write now that. So here secondary and tertiary alkyl halides undergoes elimination reactions, right? I hope it is very clear, right? In this case that alkanides acting as the base, and in this case it is acting as a primary alkyl halide acting as a nucleophile. I hope it is clear. Let us see one example here. With the example, very clear idea we'll get it here. So CH3 and CH and CH3 and Br, this is secondary alkyl halide. So in the presence of alkanides, so CC triple bond C minus and Na plus. So this is subtract the proton, or this side or both sides same alkyl groups only. So which side? This side it will be take. So what is the product is forming here? CH3 and CH double bond CH2 is forming. So this is elimination reaction. So abstract the proton from there. The byproduct is this CC triple bond and hydrogen is forming. This is the alkyne forming. Here alkene forming in the case of tertiary and secondary, right? I hope it is very clear. Let us discuss some more example alkanides. Now I am taking here RCC 1O minus and Na plus. So it is reaction with ketone, that is aldehyde, carbonyl compounds. I am taking ketone here. So what is the product is forming here? This is now it is acting as a nucleophile, right? RCC and here and COH and R is formation taking place. So this is R dash, this is R dash, right? So next one, second step is followed by the hydrolysis. The H2O plus acidic medium will get the OH group. The second one here, so here taking the first group here CH2 and CH2OO, and this is the peroxide, and followed by the hydrolysis here. So what is the product is forming here? So peroxide is open taking place. The peroxide attacking less substituted side. This is the less substituted side. So here peroxide is opening. This is like this happened because of more substituted side. The steric hindrance is there, so not allowed to the going to nucleophile attacking. So it is less hindrance side. It is easily attacking. So that's why less hindrance side it will be attack. So what is the product is forming here? R dash, CC triple bond C, and CH2 and CH and OH, and R is forming here just OH, C only, CH only, right? Next one more reaction here, CO2 and reaction with and further followed by hydrolysis. So here forming the acid here, the forming RCC triple bond C and COOH is formation taking place, right? And next one, next reaction alkyl halide, already we seen this reaction. So what is the product is forming? R dash and CC triple bond and C here CH2 and R is forming. So this is attacking here nucleophile substitution reaction taking place going out here. This is also same, CC double bond O is there, carbon dioxide. This is attacking here, this is open here. After it is protonation taking place, we will get the carboxylic acid. So I hope it is very clear. Here very important point is there. What is that? Note: reaction between sodium alkanite and formaldehyde. The formaldehyde is known ethynylation reactions. Let us discuss one example. Very clear idea it's coming. Or CC triple bond minus and sodium plus, right? Reaction with formaldehyde. So to form here, this is nucleophile acting as an attacking here this place, and it is opening like this. So what is the formation here? This sodium will be attacking here minus charge. So here very clear R CC and here attacking this carbon here O and minus O minus and plus salt is formation here CH3, sorry, here hydrogen and hydrogen is there. Then hydrolysis here H2O plus hydrolysis. So we can hydrolysis here, this is H plus ion and OH minus ion. So what is the product is forming here? RCC triple bond C and here OH and here CH2 is forming. So this is the final product, right? I hope it is clear. Along with the here base coming, so NaOH also coming. So here I hope it is very clear. This is the reactions. Alkene react with epoxide aldehydes and carbon dioxide and alkyl halides. Some regarding that information. Right, next reaction. Second one, formation of metal alkanide. The first point here, alkyne form metal alkanides with CuCl or AgNO3, then AgCl, or we can use AuCl in the presence of ammonium hydroxide, right? So let us discuss here, right? Alkyne is there, this alkyne reaction with, for the first one here, all together we discuss CuCl in the presence of ammonium hydroxide. So what is the product is forming here? So the product is RCC triple bond and Cu. This is brown precipitate, this is brown PPT, right? The next one, sure, AgNO3 in the presence of ammonium hydroxide. So what is the product is forming here? So RCC triple bond and Ag forming. So this is white precipitate is forming. So next one here, AuCl in the presence of ammonium hydroxide. So here what is the product here? RCC triple bond and Au forming, right? This is golden PPT, because of Au is gold, so golden PPT will form, right? This is formation of metal alkanides. Different metal, different colors it's giving, so we can identify the easily. If white precipitate is forming, that is silver. If the brown precipitate is forming, that is copper, presence of copper. We can identify the metals also here. Now here generally one more important point, now the metal alkanides is forming. So this is the metal, generally metal indicate M, capital M, right? We reaction with HCl, DuCl, right? What is the product is forming? As usually coming the back alkynes, right? So here CC triple bond and H and CC triple bond D is forming, right? The important point here, so very important, must be acidic hydrogen is there, then only this three reaction is happening, otherwise it's not happening. So RCC triple bond C, or this reaction the formation of the metal alkanide is not possible for this one, at least having the acidic proton. This is called acidic proton, then only it's happening the these reactions, right? The next one, metal alkanides react with mineral acids to form alkynes. Next one, this is a reaction with metals. And next, third reaction here, reaction with Grignard reagent and lithium, alkyl lithium, or Li, alkyl lithium. So alkynes also react with alkyl lithium. So let us discuss example here. R Cc triple bond C, this is acidic proton. It's react with CH3 MgBr. So what is the product is forming? R Cc triple bond and MgBr plus here methane taking place. And then next one here, new Grignard reagent. This is the new Grignard. This is also Grignard reagent only. It's new Grignard reagent. We can prepare the different Grignard reagent, alkyl Grignard reagents. Right. Next one, CH3 and lithium is there. So reaction here, RCC triple bond and lithium is formation. This is also new organolithium compound. New organolithium plus usually here CH4, methane gas is formation. It is also preparation for methane, right? Next one, fourth chemical property. The fourth one, electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution with X2 and OH minus. The X2, or we can use here NaX, right? Generally here NaOX dissociated into NaO minus plus X plus, right? So we are taking here RCC triple bond H here and react with NaOCl. So this is attacking here. This is taking the proton from here, the NaOH. This is the negative part is there. This negative part is attacking this carbon. So what is the formation here? RCC triple bond, and here what is the forming? Cl plus Na, the OH is forming, right? So one more example here. This is the example 1. The example 2 here, acetylene we are taking. This is called acetylene. So same 1 mole we are using here. So what is the formation here? H CC triple bond, and here Cl taking place. Here one more thing here, if we excess here we are taking, this is excess we are taking, the what is the product here? The product here also Cl formation taking place. That means here 2 moles of NaOH is formation taking place. I hope it is very clear. But here some exception. This is the iodination taking place. Here iodination reaction. In the case of iodination reaction, we are using here iodine plus ammonia. We are using iodine plus ammonia because of here weak reactive disease. So what is the formation here? I and CC triple bond and I, the formation taking place. In the presence of ammonia only, the acidic proton replaced by the iodine. So these are the chemical properties, and the reaction with the R react with CC triple bond and X. Sorry, here 1 minute. Whatever the chemical property, 5 chemical property we have discussed till now. These 5 chemical properties all react with this acidic proton only. In next video we will discuss pi bonds, R CC triple bond and this R. What is the chemical reaction in pi bonds? In next video we will discuss. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.